Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we delve deep into the latest gadgets and appliances to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the Hotpoint Hydroforce H8I HT59 LS UK dishwasher.
let's see if it lives up to the hype.
Integrated dishwashers often face a common challenge: limited space. But not with the Hotpoint Hydroforce H8I HT59 LS UK. This appliance boasts maxi space technology, offering a whopping 10% more usable space than your average integrated dishwasher. The maxi space tub isn't just a marketing gimmick. It translates to real-world convenience. You'll find ample room for all your dishes, from large plates to tall wine glasses, thanks to adjustable racks and cleverly designed compartments. One standout feature is the top rack, which not only accommodates cutlery and utensils but also includes a nifty dip for cups and mugs.
Plus, with strategically placed spray jets, every item gets a thorough cleaning, no matter its position in the dishwasher. Operating the Hotpoint Hydroforce H8I HT59 LS UK is a breeze. Its intuitive control panel offers a range of wash cycles, including Eco, Rapid, Delicates, and Auto. You can even customize each cycle with options like 3D wash and Sani rinse for that extra level of cleanliness. But how does it perform? Well, during our tests, this dishwasher impressed us with its cleaning power. Even stubborn stains like coffee and red wine were no match. And with decent running costs, it's not just effective but efficient too. So, should you consider the Hotpoint Hydroforce H8I HT59 LS UK for your kitchen? Some text goes here.
Absolutely, especially if you value spaciousness, performance, and efficiency in an integrated dishwasher.
It's a solid choice that won't disappoint. That's all for today's review on Product Critique.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unbiased product insights. Until next time, happy washing!